What's up, fam? So, today, we are going to be making cute animal, full guide how to make cute animal art. In my last video, I did full guide how to make cute kawaii fruit art. If you want to go check out that, it will be a link in the description. If you want to go check out that. So, yeah. Hold on, guys. If you saw that, okay, so guys, heads up. If you saw that intro video I posted, my new intro, thrilling question mark, question mark, I accidentally deleted it to post this other video, so I accidentally deleted it. So I got a new intro, and it is just a little sign that says, yeah, you know what I mean. It's in the beginning of this video. So let's get into the video. My goodness, my recorder on the side makes me glitch. You're gonna see a lot of my recording things. Gosh, just tap it and then pause. Guys, so for my painting, I'm gonna make a cute little cheetah cat thing at night. So first, I'm gonna pick a really nice dark blue. Okay, so I got my background, and now I'm gonna make my moon. I recommend using a paintbrush and the biggest size brush as possible. It might look a little weird at first, but it will look very fancy. Next, I'm gonna put some nice little highlights and randomly, and then smoothing it out with some white. So guys, I quickly made a little hill here for detail where the animal is gonna sit. Now I'm gonna show you how to make the animal. I'm gonna do a cat, and I'm gonna make the head right now. Since it's at night, the hill shouldn't be bright green, it should be dark green. Should start making it like this and kind of outlining it. If you're using that spray paint, kind of outline it. Next, you're gonna make a round oval shape for the body. And then for the paws, you could do something tiny. Or if your animal doesn't have paws or legs, like a snake, I'll have another tutorial on that. Kind of look at when you make its tail, if your animal has a tail, kind of like curve it a little bit to make it stand out more. Next is the eyes. You can do any type of eye that you do normally, but I have one specific eye that I'd like to show you. First, I'm gonna outline my cat. Okay, since I outlined it, for the nose, you could make a little dot and then two kind of J lines underneath that dot for the little nose and mouth. For the eyes, make two little oval oh my gosh, tongue twister. Two little oval circles. And kind of put a little slanted line in the middle of them. And color that slanted line in. Can be white or black. Depends on your animal. After you're done coloring it in, you're going to make a bigger dot up top. Bigger than the smallest dot you're going to make. Okay, now the smallest dot is going to be pretty tiny. Big dot, and then a small dot. These are the same type of eyes I did for the cute Calbee Fruit video. Or you could do a different type of eye. Next, I'm going to do a snake. First, how to kind of draw out the body. So you're going to kind of make it like a little curved crescent moon. So mine's facing this way. I'm going to do some little fangs. And the eyes can be like this or more devilish, which you could leave a bit of white at the top and then put red at the bottom of it. Dripping venom. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and comment down below which was your favorite masterpiece I made. Or if you want me to do any commissions, you could always let me know. And more info will be in the description. Thank you.